It's the news Canada, Mexico, and the European Union did not want to hear. Starting at midnight, tariffs of 25% and 10% will be slapped on steel and aluminum imported into the U.S. The global tariffs were introduced back in March, but exemptions had been given to some key U.S. allies until now. The question tonight, has Donald Trump sparked a global trade war? Mexico taking immediate action, slapping tariffs on things like pork, cheese, fruits, even lamps. And it's only a matter of time before the European Union makes a similar move.
It's totally unacceptable that a country is imposing unilateral measures when it comes to world trade.
The president of the European Commission expressing outrage at the tariffs. The Commission wasting little time in taking action, announcing it will file a legal challenge through the World Trade Organization. This decision will be dangerous for growth. We don't want a trade war, says the French finance minister. We are convinced these tariffs are not in line with WTO rules, adds Angela Merkel, the German chancellor, also promising a smart, determined and joint response. But the U.S. Commerce Secretary was quick to dismiss those threats.
Even if the EU does retaliate, and even if some others do, it still will remain unlikely to be as much as 1% on our economy.
While European countries weighed their response, global markets reacted immediately to the incoming tariffs.
Market impact to the trade war between Canada and the U.S.? Actually not that bad. The TSX closed higher. It was up 12 points. We did, though, see weakness for Canada's only publicly traded steel company, Stelco Holdings, out of Hamilton. That stock was down 3.5%. The Dow down a little over 200 points, but even that wasn't too bad. The Dow was up 300 yesterday. Canadian dollar declining by half a cent, does remain just above 77 cents U.S.
Trump originally said that steel and aluminum tariffs were brought in as a matter of national security and to protect U.S. industry. But tonight, analysts are predicting that a trade war will actually increase the cost of living for Americans by driving up the cost of everyday goods.